That constant sound of scratching, that endless licking. As a pet parent, it's heartbreaking to see your best friend so uncomfortable. You've probably already checked for fleas, but what if the real culprit is something you can't even see? I'm Lyndall from Vetster, and in the next few minutes, I'm not just going to tell you about dog allergies. I'm going to give you a clear plan to identify the signs, understand the triggers, and most importantly, get your dog the relief they deserve. And you can trust this advice. All of the information in this video has been carefully reviewed by leading Vetster veterinarians. So what's actually going on inside your dog? Think of their immune system as a highly trained bodyguard. Its job is to attack real threats like viruses and bacteria. But with allergies, that bodyguard gets confused. It sees something harmless like a bit of pollen or a piece of chicken, and it thinks it's a dangerous intruder. It sounds the alarm, and the result is inflammation. That annoying itchiness, redness, and irritation. So what should you be looking for? The number one sign is the itch. Dogs will lick, chew, or scratch, especially on their paws, face, ears, belly, or the base of their tail. At first, the skin might look fine, but over time it can become red, thickened, or even scabby from all the trauma. All that skin irritation often leads to dryness and flakiness. To learn how to soothe your dog's dry skin and what might be causing it, tap the video card on your screen now. But it's not just scratching. Also watch for frequent ear infections, constant head shaking, or red watery eyes, and sometimes sneezing or a runny nose, though that's less common in dogs than it is in people. And if a food allergy is the problem, you might see vomiting or diarrhea, either with or without the skin issues. So what's triggering this overreaction? The usual suspects in the environment are things like flea bites, that's a huge one. Because flea allergies are so common, year-round prevention is non-negotiable. To see our vet-approved guide on how to protect your pet, tap the link appearing on your screen now. Other triggers include grasses, weeds, pollen from trees, and dust mites hiding in your home. Food allergies are less common, but when they do happen, the most frequent culprits are proteins like beef, chicken, dairy, or eggs. And this is where it gets frustrating for so many pet parents. You see the symptoms, but you don't know the cause. The truth is most dogs are allergic to multiple things, which makes playing detective almost impossible. So how do vets create a game plan? First, they'll rule out other itch imposters like skin infections or parasites. If they suspect a food allergy, they might recommend a strict food elimination trial, which is the gold standard for finding the culprit. Once they're confident it's allergies, the goal becomes managing the symptoms and making your dog comfortable. While there's no magic cure for allergies, they are absolutely manageable. So let's do a quick recap. If you're seeing excessive licking, scratching, or chronic ear infections, don't wait. The fastest way to get real answers is by talking to a veterinary professional. Everything we've talked about is available in a complete written guide. Tap the card on your screen right now to read the full blog post. If you need help fast, Vetster lets you connect with a licensed vet right from your couch. Now I want to hear from you. What's one symptom you've been worried about with your dog? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Give your pup some extra love from us. See you next time.